between the two bottom place teams. One is at the number 7, the other is at the number 8. Edmonton, after that good start, they have squandered away the advantage, but yes, they will be looking to come back this weekend. They have got the potential, they've got the ammunition. Both the teams, team charges. The match on, the game on. दो प्लेयर्स का सबसे बड़ा स्वैग है, आरव सिंह और समीर पाटकर. ये दो प्लेयर्स से ज्यादा बेहतर स्वैग किसी का नहीं है. जराज का स्वैग काफी साल लगेगा समीर पाटकर के स्वैग को मैच करने को. प्ले टाइम. चलिए रुक करते हमारे ईपीएल के तरफ. हमारे लिए तो ईपीएल ही आईपीएल है. The first runs on the board. Sam has to be at his very best. Ashok Khedwal. Such a good leather ball cricketer. Ashok Khedwal. Out of the box. -5 straight away. The other day, Adam Gilchrist posted a question to the media: when will the Indian players come down to foreign countries? And what Virendra Sehwag had to answer: we do not go to poor countries. That is Virendra Sehwag at his very best. Virubai, the most exciting player that Team India has ever produced, arguably. That's a wide ball. -2 with that single. Score remains on -2. Into the declared zone, 3 runs. End of the over from Sam. A successful over. The score at the end of the first over, 2 for 1. Oh, that should have been stopped by Samir. He had no business to let the ball go down his way. It's time to tighten up your game. Everybody, we are moving into the business end. Straight to Jalaj. Well played, well driven. Good bit of work. Jalaj is the lone ranger in the team, the field restrictions. One ball to go. A 5 for 1. Not a bad start for the fielding team. Lots of cricket left to be played. Well fielded, very well fielded by Jalaj. Good pickup and throw. The score at the end of 2 overs, boys and girls, it is a 6 for 1. इस मैच के टॉस को जीतकर गेंदबाजी करने का फैसला लिया Sunil Narayan. In the first 5, 6, 7 editions, he was unplayable with the ball. After that correction in his bowling action, he became less effective, and just look at the way he's batting now. In fact, West Indies has offered him to come back into the World Cup, T20 World Cup squad, but he said that nothing doing. I have made peace with that decision of retiring. Such a good answer. I've made peace with myself after having retired. Putting the ball into that mid-off area. Oh, this could be dangerous, but back home in the nick of time. You got to be very decisive in your fielding as well, in your calling. Rohit Shah and Manish, the two batters, doing the resurrection job for team Chargers after the early loss of Ashok Khedwal. अपनी टीम का सिकंदर प्लेयर है मनीष. मनीष को एक बहुत ही अहम भूमिका अदा करनी है सामना करते हुए जलज का. वाइड गेंद का इशारा. काफी अच्छे फॉर्म में नजर आए हैं मनीष इस पूरे टूर्नामेंट में. उसी अच्छे फॉर्म को आज भी बरकरार रखना होगा मनीष ने. That's a no ball. Team टीम चीजी सुपर किंग्स के ओनर मिस्टर सिंघवी का स्वागत है. थोड़ा सा premeditated shot. Rohit Shah is making the scoreboard ticking in the form of singles. The scoreline at the end of 3 overs is 13 for 1. 3 ओवर के बाद 13 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. Team Chargers is a much better team than where they are placed at the moment. A few bad chapters do not mean that your story is over. You can still make a comeback. You have to be all grit and determination. Got to be at your very best to play some explosive cricket. Just look to find your way back in the tournament. Well bowled, well played. फिर से एक बार एक पर्पसफुल इनिंग्स खेलते हुए मनीष का साथ नहीं निभाया है टीम चार्जर्स के टॉप ऑर्डर ने. It's been referred inside. Got to keep playing with a good intention, team Chargers, because good intentions die if they are not executed. It's a fair delivery. Fair delivery. Good to go. Which two teams become achievers from believers to make it to the final? The table at the moment is still open. In this tournament so far, Manish has waged too many lone battles. Somebody needs to give him company. Rohit Shah is giving good company. Rohit Shah is on to 8 of 8 balls. Not bad. चार ओवर के बाद 19 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. स्कोर आफ्टर 4, 19 for 1, 24 balls to go. 19 for 1. That is the super over. Harsh Bhandari was here the other weekend.
Right now he's watching in UK.
He's watching the match from UK, is it? Yes, wherever you are, Harsh, I hope you have a good viewing. Interesting match on. What a shot! What a shot from Manish. Breaking the shackles. This is the super over. 12 runs added. What a start. What a start. 12 runs off one delivery. Manish has been in great form. I mentioned earlier, for Team Chargers, he's waged a lone battle too many times. Smart cricket, smart cricket. 33 with those 2 runs. 35. Well played. Very smart cricket, intelligent cricket, team charges. A 37. Steadying the ship once again, Manish. Complete dead. (39) देखिए कितनी अच्छी रणनीति है. पहले गेंद पर 12 रन आने के बाद तो रिस्क लेने का कोई सवाल ही नहीं बनता था. अगर नेगेटिव मार्किंग मिलते तो 12 रन का एडवांटेज चला जाता. 5 ओवर के बाद 41 रन, 1 विकेट के नुकसान पे 18 गेंद आनी बाकी है. काफी विकेट्स हाथ में है. अच्छी शुरुआत है टीम चार्जर्स के लिए. दे लुकिंग गुड. देखिए जैसे ही किसी एक बल्लेबाज ने मनीष को अच्छी कंपनी देने की शुरुआत की है और खुलकर खेलते हुए मनीष, ये बात अभी तक टीम चार्जर्स के लिए मिसिंग थी. Nobody was staying alongside Manish, and now that this man is staying at the wicket, Rohit, it's looking a different team at the moment now. Jaraj. Nicely worked away. Oh, that's been referred upstairs and looks like it's going to be touch and go. That could be very close. That could be very close. This is the best batting performance by Team Chargers so far. Manish has always been the standout player. He's played at least 3 very good knocks. He continues with the good form and staying alongside him to give good company, that is Rohit Shah. Not out. Manish survives. Rohit is on to 11 of 11 balls. Manish on to 24 of 21 balls. What a partnership. Is taken a review? No. (44). Two runs taken. 2 runs taken. Just look at the way he's crafting that good innings. He's building on the momentum. Pacing his innings so well. That is the key. Pacing his innings. No ball. That's been referred upstairs for the waist high full toss. अपनी टीम के लिए एक नया अफसाना लिखते हुए मनीष और रोहित, कितनी बढ़िया साझेदारी है, कितनी बढ़िया साझेदारी. This was missing from Team Chargers in the earlier matches. This kind of a batting performance. They were not able to get those partnerships. और आज की शाम एक अच्छी साझेदारी मिलते ही टीम चार्जर्स एक अच्छी स्थिति में नजर आती हुई. टीम चार्जर्स को ओन करते हुए सुनील सिंघानिया जी और अशोक जी खेड़वाल. टीम एडमिंटाइन, दैट्स अ नो बॉल. टीम एडमिंटाइन को ओन करते हुए मानव सिंघवी. Bonus time for Manish. He was already off the blocks. Manish. एक अच्छी छाप छोड़ते हुए इस टूर्नामेंट में और एक is giving such a good account of himself here. Rohit has played so intelligently. With that kind of a knock, he's taken the pressure of Manish, and Manish can now play freely. It is Rohit who is holding 4 to 1 end. The score at the end of 6 overs is 51. 51 रन, एक विकेट के नुकसान पर 6 ओवर्स के बाद 12 गेंद आनी बाकी है. कितनी आला शुरुआत, कितनी शानदार शुरुआत. That is the warning bell for Edmonton and Samir Patkar. They need a couple of wickets here to stay in the hunt. They have their back up against the wall. They are down on the mat at the moment. काफी अनुकूल स्थिति में है. Into the extra cover region for a single. That single takes the score to 53. $54. 8 balls to go. This is indeed a very, very clinical batting performance. 55, 1 ball to go. Very clinical in their approach, in their execution. They are exhibiting the precision of a surgeon. Very precise. And now Team Edmonton cannot be cynical. Score after 7 overs is a very, very handsome 57. This is one of the best batting performance of the tournament, not just tonight, of the tournament. This is indeed one of the best performances. Team Superstars had put up 68 runs in the very first match. And at the moment, they are 57 for 1 after 7 overs. Team Chargers are languishing at the bottom of the table. just look at the workaholic Manish. Every time he's come out to bat, he's come out fighting. He's a fighter player, very workaholic, all grit and determination. What a man to have in your team. What a man. What a batsman. Jinesh. Manish. Well left. Very smart, very smart. He put a wrong foot for the first time in this match. Well bowled, very well bowled. Not afraid to take the aerial route now. Playing it uppishly, but that was always going to be ricocheting off the net. 4 to go. 59. The multifaceted Manish is looking very, very good. Once again coming good. And what a good performance from Rohit. Oh, -5 is it? Is it? We'll have to wait and watch. Oh, he feels he's safe. Manish is suggesting that he's made his ground. And to my left, the spectators are thinking he's out. So let's see. Touch and go maybe. But what a knock from Manish. He's hardly had a failure in this tournament, maybe once. Otherwise, he's been very good. Team Chargers was looking over-reliant on Manish. But tonight, as soon as somebody else is giving him good company, just look at the knock of Rohit. Team Chargers is looking in a different zone. Gone. -5. The score 56. 56 for 1. 7.3. 7.3 overs. 3 to go. एडमेंटाइन के बॉलिंग ब्रिगेड ने साधारण गेंदबाजी की है और इसी वजह से अब बल्लेबाजों ने जबरदस्त कार्य कर दिखाना होगा. ओ, अगर पैर नहीं लगता तो शायद क्लीन बोल्ड होते. बाल बाल बचे और एक -5 से बचे. इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 58 रन्स बनाने होंगे अपने निर्धारित 48 गेंदों में. 48 balls and 58 runs to win the match. Terrific batting by Manish and Rohit Shah. What a knock by Rohit Shah. Very well done. हेलो टीम चार्जर्स के लिए तो हर मैच अब डू और डाई है. Play every match as if it's your last match. Try and win, and पता नहीं anything can crop up. Round robin league format में कभी-कभी वो points table it can really throw up surprises. Good evening to our Mr. Chairman Sunilji Singhania. He's the chairman of the society and also the chairman of the organizing EPL committee. He's got a very good team with him. Mr. Manoj Kesri, the secretary, and the EPL member Amrish Javeri, the managing committee member Shaili Jha, Sandeep Vaidya, Rupindra Soni, the managing committee members, and also the EPL members. And purely the EPL members Sucharita Shetty, Pawan Mundra, Vikash Gupta, and Mr. Michael. So that is the organizing body. We are into day number 4. 2 full days to go from tomorrow and day after, full days. Morning session, evening session, both the days, and the end of it all, Sunday evening 10 p.m. we will have the champion team of the EPL 2005, sponsored by Mr. Dipesh Nigam from the Dhanlakshmi Group. Mr. Kashyap to bowl. Sid and Borade, the 2 young guns. A boundary in the very first over. They're taking on the bowling attack. Siddharth. We'll have to wait and watch. Siddharth is one of the young guns, a very good player, very mature head over his shoulders. Oh, a missed opportunity, missed opportunity. He did well, he judged it well. Those catches kind of stick into your hands. Well ball, good comeback delivery. What character this man is showing. A very good delivery, right up there into the business area. A 7 for none. A 7 for none in the very first over. The match on, the game on. The big challenge is for Edmonton is to keep the tempo up. Tanish is a very good stroke player. He's been brilliant in patches, Tanish. He's shown a glimpse of what he's made up of. He's shown a trailer, but tonight here in this do-or-die situation, he needs to show the full picture. पहले ओवर के समाप्ति के बाद 8 रन और 50 रन बनाने हैं. 42 गेंदों में 50 रन. The captain Vikas. फुल टॉस गेंद को करारा जवाब दिया। एक ही फील्डर थे वहां पर, मनीष ऑफ साइड में, डीप में कोई भी नहीं था, मिस कर गए सिड। तनिष ओ माय वर्ड, बेल्स नहीं गिरे, हालांकि गेंद स्टंप्स को लगी फिर भी बेल्स नहीं गिरे। बाल बाल बचे। तनिष क्या इस मौके का फायदा उठा पाएंगे? Either he should have released the ball straight away or maybe dived into the stumps. Free hit. Free hit. It's a free hit. Free hit था सर विकास भाई. Tension in the air. Tension in the air. Even Shaili Jha is having a wry smile. He was shell-shocked, Vikas Sharma. तनिष ये तो बताया है कि मैं ब्रिलियंट हूँ, ये तो उन्होंने बताया थोड़ा सा पैचेस में इज बीन ब्रिलियंट. दैट प्रॉमिस इज देयर. Will it get converted into a match-winning effort tonight is the big question. सिद्धार्थ विकेट पे हो और टैप शॉट न देखने को मिले, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. बहुत ही मैच्योर प्लेयर है. यस, टैलेंट से ज्यादा मेहनत पर ज्यादा निर्भर होते हैं. The application is what stands out for Sid more than the talent, and that it's the reverse for Tanish. The score at the end of 2 overs, boys, it is 14 for no loss. Not a bad start, not a bad start. Looking to take the fight to the enemy camp. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये लक्ष्य अचीव नहीं हो सकता, मुश्किल है, चुनौती भरा है, लेकिन नहीं हो सकता ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है. देयर आर नो डेविल्स, देयर इज नो डेविल इन द विकेट. सुपर ओवर. चलिए, ये दिलचस्प ओवर होगा कल कश्यप का. कश्यप का जो एंथुजियाज्म है ना, वो वाकई में काबिले तारीफ है. राजा कश्यप. Kashyap always loves a challenge or two. Two runs added, being the super over. Good evening and a warm welcome to season 5 of the exquisite Premier League. High standard set, good quality cricket on exhibition, good cricket. That is the most important ingredient. As organizers कितना भी कर लो, अगर क्रिकेट अच्छा नहीं है तो फिर nothing will work out. अगर क्रिकेट अच्छा है, everything falls in place. The main ingredient is the quality of cricket. The two young guns are fighting it out. They are taking the fight to the enemy camp. They are all grit and determination. They are looking business-like at the moment. They are looking business-like. The body language is conveying a message to the opponents. Well bowled. Slow to the edge. Change in trajectory. Change in trajectory. Very well bowled. चलिए डिफेंसिवली खेल लिया उस सुपर ओवर को. रणनीति यही थी कि नेगेटिव 10 मार्क्स न मिले, इस बात की खबरदारी ली. 3 ओवर के बाद 18 रन बिना कोई नुकसान के. इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 58 रन बनाने हैं, यानी कि 30 गेंदों में 40 रन. 30 balls and 40 runs to win the match, ladies and gentlemen. 30 में 40. सब विकेट्स हाथ में है. सुपर ओवर मुकम्मल हो चुका है, तो अब नेगेटिव 10 का तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं, लेकिन नेगेटिव 5 तो हमेशा मिलते रहेंगे जब तक आप विकेट्स खोते रहोगे. और उसी -5 का जो रूल बनाया है, उसी वजह से पूरी तरह से आखिरी वक्त तक वो रोमांच बरकरार होता है ईपीएल में. Oh, there was a run in it. There was a run in it. Oh, what a good looking shot, but only a single for that good one. (20-0). All wickets in hand is the good news. Yes, sir, ये दोनों, the young guns are looking to take the match deep. Oh, they're throwing their bat at everything now. Good cricketing shots. It's not that the shots are unwarranted. They're throwing the bat. That's a no ball. 2 runs taken, important runs, and that's a free hit for Sid. 23. 35 required, 35 more. Oh, he could have done more with this, with that delivery. थोड़ा सा loft करना चाहिए था. He should have aimed for the 6. That was a free hit. Was a golden chance. Tanish. You cannot play in one zone. You cannot play in one tone. The score at the end of 4 overs is 24 for no loss. अब 24 गेंदों में आलम यह है कि 34 रन बनाने हैं. 24 balls and 34 runs to win the match. In comes Mr. Chairman, Mr. Sunil Singhania comes into the attack, one of the co-owners of the team alongside Mr. Ashok Khedwal. Underarm cricket mein, you got to learn to play with soft hands, put the ball into the gap. Tanish will learn it as he becomes more mature. He's a wonderful player, so much of promise is showing. A player for the future, Tanish. Let us focus on the match at our hands. Sunil Singhania to Sid. Experience to youth. Good shot, very smart shot. Playing it into the gap. Whenever the ball ricochets off the net, or whenever you play the ball into the net, you have to take that first run very quickly. Whenever you play it into the sidelines, you got to take that first round quick. Tanish is digging a hole for himself. Clean bolt. Sunil Singhania with his Mr. Cool kind of an approach. He picks up the wicket of the young gun. Borade is gone, -5. Tanish back in the hut. After the deduction, the score is 20 for 1. Bit of a challenge now. 58 is such a good score, and now it has become a little more challenging after those -5. -5 can have a big ramification on the match. -5 at any stage, especially in this kind of a situation, can really be a big thing. It can almost be the turning point. 20 for 1. 38 more to win. बाईस गेंदों में 38 रन्स बनाने हैं. 22 balls and 38 runs to win the match. Not a bad start for Sunil Singhania, picking up that important wicket and getting his team -5. -5 for the batting team, and it is like a +5 for the bowling team. Everything happening out there. It's all about being cool and calm. Absorb the pressure. Play your natural game. Good commitment. That is what you got to do in that key mid-on position. Oh, Manish is never going to drop those. -5. What an over by Mr. Sunil Singhania. Oh, they've taken a review. After taking the catch, did he touch the green area is what they're asking. He can touch it after completing the catch. He cannot touch the green thing before completing the catch. That is the catch-22 situation. In that one motion, he cannot afford to touch it. But after completing the catch, when he's in total control, he can pretty much touch it, isn't it? Green is allowed, and above the green is not allowed. It is out. The dreaded finger has gone up. There is nothing Manish can do wrong. Everything that it touches will turn to gold. Team Chargers, which is at the bottom of the table, is looking so good. 16 for 2. 16 for 2. One ball to go in over number 5. They are in a very good situation. बिल्कुल अनुकूल स्थिति में है. एक ही ओवर में 2 विकेट्स को का जाना और -10 मिलना अपने आप में एक दास्तां बयां करती है. नए बल्लेबाज जलज. Edmonton. What a splendid over by Sunil Singhania, putting the brakes on. With that kind of a tight over, is turned up. 18 balls and 42 runs to win the match is the equation. 18 में 42. 18 गेंदों में 42 रनों की दरकार. इस मैच के बाद आखिरी मैच चीजी सुपर किंग्स बनाम टीम बाउंस. Team at the number 3 position, Cheesy Super Kings, and Team Bounce at the number 5 position. Cheesy Super Kings will be looking to go into the number 1 and 2 positions, and Bounce will be looking to get amongst the top 3 positions. अब हर मैच बिल्कुल इम्पोर्टेंट है. 6 दिनों का ये क्रिकेट महोत्सव कम से कम 5 से 6 महीनों तक चर्चा में रहता है. 2-3 महीने बिफोर द टूर्नामेंट, 2-3 महीने आफ्टर द टूर्नामेंट. So 6 months at the Exquisite. It's all about APL. That's a boundary. Oh my word. Important boundary. 20. अच्छी एफर्ट की थी जनक ने. Straight to Kashyap. At the moment, Team Chargers is all charged up and it's been given out. Is it? Oh yes, -5. 3 dots. The score has come down to 15. This is a Mount Everest to climb. Spring in the stride. Team Chargers is absolutely pumped up. There is adrenaline flowing in their veins. They are hanging on to that element of self-belief. But do or die situation में एक मैच जीते रहे, फिर देखे 2 मैच के बाद कहां पर आप खड़े हो. इस मैच को जीतना बहुत ही जरूरी है टीम चार्जर्स के लिए. सूझबूझ के साथ गेंदबाजी करते हुए जनक बताते हुए कि मेरी झलक सबसे अलग. एंड ऑफ 6 overs 17 for 3. 12 गेंदों में 51 बना रहे हैं. 41. 12 balls and 41 to win. 12 में 41. Your guess is as good as mine. That is a good strike. That's a good strike by Jalaj for a boundary. That was the half volley, nicely put away. Manish misses on that. That should have been stopped. Welcome runs, welcome runs. A good comeback delivery. Too wide is a little surprise, but that was the right call. After that, such a brilliant over, slightly here and there, Sunil Singhania. He's suddenly gone cold out there. What's happening? Welcome runs for the batting team. More than welcome, isn't it? A smart shot. That single takes the score to 27. Eight balls and 31 to win. 8 में 31. So almost a boundary of every delivery now. Well done. Jalaj is playing well, but is it asking for too much in too little a time? Maybe so. Yes, you got to take care of the net run rate. का इन लोग के लिए इतना सवाल नहीं. Number 7 और number 8 teams है. One is at the number 8 spot and the other is at the number 7 position. So it's all about gaining those points. जीतने वाली ये मैच को जीतने जो भी टीम जीतेगी उसके लिए नेट रन रेट थोड़ा ज्यादा मायने रखता है. The last over underway. 28 रन्स बनाने हैं 6 गेंदों में. They have the match in a very firm grip. Vikas Sharma, the captain, bowling. -5. अब तो मामला और भी ज्यादा पेचीदा, उलझती हुई डोर और उलझ चुकी है. 5 गेंदों में 33 रन्स बनाने हैं. They are staring at a very big win. जितना ज्यादा मार्जिन होगा नेट रन रेट उतनी और बढ़ेगी. And that is exactly what team charges want. It's a do or die situation. Yeah, they're playing for some pride, not just the points. They are looking to regain their pride more than anything else. दो मैचेस, अगले दो मैचेस जीते और फिर देखिए आखिरी मैच में इस मैच को जीतने के बाद पोजीशन कहां पर है. How many dots? One, only one. Terrific hitting, terrific hitting. (31) और 27 चाहिए. Barely holding on to it, Manish. Barely holding on to it. With that kind of a batting flair, just wonder why Jalaj came so down the order. He should have come up the order. Mr. Captain, Sam. Edmonton had got off to a good start in this tournament, winning the first game so convincingly. They were looking the part, but unfortunately they've gone downhill, and they will be placed at the number 8 position after this defeat. Congratulations to Team Chargers for winning this match handsomely. That's a massive win. That will be a big morale booster for the net run rate. And Edmonton comes down to the number 8 position. That is what they didn't want. आज के दिन का अब ये आखिरी मैच शुरू होता हुआ. टीम बाउंस वर्सेस टीम चीजी सुपर किंग्स. कल फिर से ठीक 6:30 बजे रिपोर्टिंग टाइम है सभी ऑर्गेनाइजर्स के लिए, ऑफिशियल्स के लिए. 6:45 को टॉस होगा.